Hello friends, today we will discuss the topic how we install Windows 7 step by step. First of all, we will create a USB, bootable USB through which we will install Windows 7. To create USB bootable USB, we will use the Rufus tool. Click on it, then we will select the USB. After that we will select EFI or GPT, the partition which we laptop supported. Then we type of system, target system, BIOS or UEFI. It will depends on if we select MBR, then target system will change, and if we select GPT, then also its specification change according to its file system. Because GPT system is a new file system as compared to NTFS, and GPT is used for UEFI systems. If we select MBR, then it gives the option BIOS or UEFI, and if we click GPT, then it gives only UEFI system. And this is the device which we inserted our laptop or system. And after that, if we click on start, then our media creation will be started. Volume level. After that, after creation, that we will see the different types of BIOS, how we can boot from BIOS. Different option like F12, F10 and F9. Different laptops have different options. After booting the laptop, then we have different options: removable device, hard drives, CD-ROM drive. It asks press any key to boot from CD or DVD drive. And our system is starting from CD drive. Same option for USB, bootable USB as in CD or DVD. Both have same option. Now first menu is appear. Language, first we select language, time and currency format, and its language, time and currency format. Then keyboard or input method, normally we use US and some other method also. Then we click next. Here we have option to install Windows or repair your computer. We can also repair at this stage, but we are going to install fresh installation. Setup is starting. Microsoft license agreement, I accept the license terms. Then we click on next. Here two options, upgrade and custom. If we want to upgrade, then we click on upgrade, and we can upgrade from Windows Vista or something else. And if we want to fresh install, then we click on advanced and custom. Here are our disk shown, 25 GB, and its free space is 9.9 GB. We will go to drive options, and we can format the existing drive, and also we can create new partition as our requirement. Here it shows only one partition. And its total size. We can also click on next, and it will automatically format and create partitions. Here is a message that your system have some Windows installation file. If you want to install the Windows, then these files and folders are removed and will not be recovered. And the folders will be named as windows.old, but we will not be able to use previous version of Windows. So we have the option, if we want to continue this as it is, then the existing Windows partition will be named as windows.old with folder. And if we want a fresh installation, then we select on partition and we go to drive option and format the existing hard drive and create new partition as we required. So friends, this is a very critical stage. If we have data, if user data or files, this can be lost, so we will take backup before any type of installation or doing something else. So this is the step where we have to take the necessary action as we required. Friends, Windows 7 installation needs about 15 to 20 GB space for installation files, and if we want to install Windows 10, then it will take more space, because Windows 7 is not take much space as compared to Windows 10 or others. Friends, our next installation Windows is in progress. When copying file are done, and next step is expanding Windows files. It will take some time. First the system will copy all the files for Windows which are necessary. After copying file, then it will expanding Windows files. After expanding Windows files, it will installing features. Friends, expanding Windows file is in progress. It will take some time. We have to wait for some time. One thing is very important, which I tells you at the moment. Before installation of Windows or before upgradation or partitioning the hard drive, you must have to take your system to a user or your critical data backup. Otherwise, sometimes your data might be lost and it will not be recovered. So you have to take your important data backup before installation or before resizing the hard drive partition or doing any partition. So you need to save your time. Expanding Windows file are still in progress. It's about 87% complete. Now it is 94% completed. it's almost completed. Now installing feature will be next our step. Installing feature completed. Now installing update is in progress, it's also completed. Windows need to restart, continue. After doing this, Windows asks us to restart, and if we will not restart, then it will automatically restart after some time. Windows starting is in progress. Setup is updating, registry setting. Setup is starting services. One thing note that during installation your system may be restart sometimes and it will not any issue. Now completing installation is in progress and it will soon completed. During installation, please try to set your system or desktop on backup UPS or something else, because during installation if any fluctuation, then you have to restart again the installation and it will take more time. And it's almost going to be completed. Setup is applying. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. Friends, as I informed earlier that during installation your system may be reboot for several times to apply changes during installation. As Windows is starting again, and now setup is preparing for the computer for first use. It will take some time. Setup is checking video performance, and it will also check the performance during installation. Now we have to type a username, Windows 7 Professional, and we will create username, and we will also here type a password if we want, and we can also set later stage, and here it will ask product key. We can give product key at this stage, or we can also be at later stage. We can skip this. Here the different option, use recommended setting. System is asking to set up update Windows update automatically. We can also skip for later stage, and then time settings, and here are for some computer current location like office, home users and networks. If we want to use in home, we can also select home network. Now Windows is finalizing. Preparing for desktop. Installation and configuration are almost complete. No, installation is completed, and it also installed a driver like audio driver, network driver, and some other drivers are installed. Friends, these are the installation progress from scratch to completed. I think you understand all the steps during the installation process. For more good videos, please like, subscribe my channel so you will receive more good videos. For now, it's okay. Bye.